Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FaceApp. You click on settings, then you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FaceApp. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.